यदा यदा हि धर्मस्य ग्लानिर्भवति भारत अभ्युत्थानम् अधर्मस्य तदात्मानं सृजाम्यहम् परित्राणाय साधूनां विनाशाय च दुष्कृताम् धर्म संस्थापनार्थाय संभवामि युगे युगे।
Whenever dharma declines and the purpose of life is forgotten, I manifest myself on earth. I am born in every age to protect the good, to destroy evil, and to re-establish dharma. Thus saying, Lord Krishna goes on to say in the Bhagavad Gita, I am the Lord who dwells in every creature. Through the power of my own Maya, I manifest myself in a finite form. There is nothing that exists separate from me. The entire universe is suspended from me like my necklace of jewels. I am the beginning, the middle, and the end of creation. The immature do not look beyond physical appearances to see my true nature as the Lord of all creation. Lord Krishna is considered a reincarnation of the Supreme God Himself and the 8th avatar of Lord Vishnu according to Hinduism. He is one of the most popular and revered Hindu deities and worshipped as the god of protection, compassion, and love. Our Atma, or the soul, is equated with the self within us, which in turn is equated with Brahma, the supreme reality or God Himself. Thus the Lord says, I am the true self in the heart of every creature and the beginning, middle, and end of their existence. Just remember that I am and that I support the entire cosmos with only a fragment of my being. The beginningless Brahma dwells in all. It is indivisible, yet appears divided in separate creatures. Know it to be the Creator, the Preserver, and the Destroyer. Prince Arjuna, to whom Lord Krishna is speaking in the Bhagavad Gita to motivate him to participate in the Dharma Yudh, the holy war against evil, requests the Lord to manifest Himself in His true form of infinite glory. In order to do so, Lord Krishna gives Arjuna the cosmic vision so that he can see Him in all His divine splendor. The Gita says, Krishna, the master of yoga, revealed to Arjuna his most exalted, lordly form. He appeared with an infinite number of faces, ornamented by heavenly jewels, displaying unending miracles and the countless weapons of His power. Clothed in celestial garments and covered with garlands, sweet-smelling with heavenly fragrances, He showed Himself as the infinite Lord, the source of all wonders, whose face is everywhere. Arjuna trembled in fear. With joined palms he bowed before Krishna and addressed Him stammering, You are behind me and in front of me. I bow to You on every side. Your power is immeasurable. You pervade everything. You are everything. You are the Father of the universe, of the animate and inanimate. You are the object of all worship, the greatest Guru. There is none to equal you in the three worlds. Lord Krishna says, all the scriptures lead to me, and I am their author and their wisdom. Make every act an offering to me. Regard me as your only protector. Relying on interior discipline, meditate on me always. Remembering me, you shall overcome all difficulties through my grace, and you shall come to me. This I promise. Om Tat Sat. If you think my efforts are worthwhile, then do like, subscribe, and share with others the videos to spread the words of the Bhagavad Gita.